In today's video, I will show you 5 ways how to boost book sales on Amazon. So if you want to rank your books on Amazon up high in the search results, then stay with me. Welcome everyone, my name is Agnes Glogowska and I am a content creator in the money-making niche, KDP books and self-publishing on Amazon. And Amazon platform is one of my favorite ways of making money, and I devote quite a lot of time to talk about those things related to Amazon and Amazon KDP platform. Before we get started, don't forget to put your thumbs up and subscribe for future videos like this, because I have new content created every single week. So let's get started. If you are new in KDP self-publishing books, you probably don't know yet that there is quite a lot of books that are already self-published, and it's not that easy anymore to get up high in search results just using basic random keywords and not having proper search keywords optimization done. What I always do, I start from searching my keywords on Amazon itself. For the purpose of today's video, we're gonna use that keyword Blue Password Logbook and Internet Password Organizer. There is 2000 search results. It would be better if it was less, around 1000, but it's not that bad. So let's say today we're gonna concentrate on that keyword, which is, let's say, password logbook, or generally something around logbooks. And let's say that I'm happy with the amount of search results and the amount of bestsellers on that number one page, on the first page. And let's say next thing what I would do, I would go into my software that I use on daily basis I would be looking for, I would try to find or discover keywords that have high monthly search volume and low competition. And that's the ideal keywords that we would be looking for. For that purpose, I would start first from my software that I use for book creation, which is Bookbolt. The link is in the description. It's an affiliate link, and first 100 people who will sign up with that affiliate link and the code in the description will get their first month for free. So I typed in logbooks and that keyword came up, and I can see that there is a search volume of over 22,500 nearly a month, and I get my Google search volume as well, which is much higher, and cost per click it's $2.68, and the competition is medium. So in Bookbolt I get pretty much minimum amount of information, which is still helpful. At least I know what's the search volume, and I know that the competition is medium, so it's still probably keyword or phrase worth of trying to use for your KDP book. However, better results I would receive in a brilliant keyword search tool that I use as well, which is Helium 10. The link is as well in the description. It's an affiliate link, so go ahead and check that link. First, I use the function that is called magnet, and I type in my keyword. So I typed in logbook for passwords, let's say, and I pressed get keywords, and that's all the keywords I found. It's plenty of keywords to really concentrate and see which are getting good or bad search results and what's the competition. So here we have WFT is my password, and we had a magnet score 254, and it tells you about basically so it means a high score means a relatively high number of searches is done compared to the number of competitors. So that number is quite high enough. Then there is the search volume 146. It's in green. It's quite good search volume. Here we can see that the trend is going down. And then sponsored agents. So that means that's such an amount of sponsored agents that are ranking for that particular keyword. And competing products, the total number of products returned in a customer search using this keyword or phrase. And then we have CPR is an estimated number of units that need to be sold over 8 days, resulting from a search for this keyword. So 8 of them. It's not a very high demand product because, as you see, search books are sold on Amazon in the last 8 days through that keyword. However, it's mostly organic sale. Most of you see those keywords here are organic, so no one really is ranking for that keywords. It's not sponsored. Then we have wish gift cards online. The score is 46, which is low. Definitely we have bigger number of competition. Quite a lot is doing the sponsor ads, but the trend is going down. It's only 92 in search volume, so I would be looking for something with 1000 here. Let's say like find archive orders, but that's not something we would be looking for. You see, there is no one doing sponsor ads on this one, but it's a trend going down. So on this page, to be honest, there is not many that I would really concentrate on. Maybe that forgot email a little bit, let's say. It's quite okay. And then retrieve password. No, my order list. It's over 1000. There is a lot. Yeah, there is not really many great keywords to look at on that page, to be honest, for that particular one. Maybe that one here, contact address for customer service, it's not that bad. And maybe this one, probably this one, temporary password, that would be the best on this page to rank for. And maybe this one, 5 wishes booklet. Yeah, and password not working, quite okay, although probably I would stick to those two. So you have an idea thanks to that tool. Basically, it's rank tracking software. You have idea about what keywords you should go for, which should be working for you, thanks to the whole list of keywords that you can find in Helium 10 software. And what's the best, when I type in the keyword in the search bar, then I get top products up here, so I can check what the agents are. And when I press, let's say, that book, it gets me to another tool on Helium 10, which is this one. And here we have reverse Asian lookup. So we can basically look at that Asian and see which phrases and keywords help this book rank up high in search results. So we have here IQ score, which is based on ratio of estimated search volume versus number of competing products. This one seems to be quite okay. The search volume is good. The trend is slightly going down. Sponsored Asians 427. So this book is competing on that particular phrase or keyword with other 427 Asians, means books, KDP books, and there is altogether less than 3,000 KDP books on Amazon with that phrase. And here we have the title density is the number of page 1 products with the research keyword in the title. So it's only 10 of them on page 1. Generally, this book is ranking very up high in an organic way because it has organic rank number 3, and then sponsored rank is at the 12th position, and it has even Amazon recommended rank, which is number 12 as well. So if you go here and look, there is a lot of quite good keywords that you can rank for as well, like internet password book. It's a good keyword, although as well slightly on the lower side of the trend, but definitely in that way you can basically spy on your competition and see thanks to which keywords they are ranking up high in the organic search results, and at the same time you can use the sponsor ads to get ranking for those particular keywords. Another great way to help boost book sales on Amazon is getting your books visible on other social medias like, let's say, Pinterest. Pinterest is a lovely social media platform where you can basically find lovely things like books. Some books look beautiful and people can find them quite easily, like those password logbooks here. Some of the book covers look really appealing, let's say password logbook, and that's how you can basically advertise your KDP books thanks to Pinterest. And as you see, there is a small description here, but the link goes straight to Amazon. So it would be good if you basically put the picture of the logbook with description link to your Amazon book, and what is missing here in my opinion is a few other keywords, let's say hashtags with keywords that you would like to rank for even on Pinterest. So definitely would recommend Pinterest if you have a lovely designed book covers and something to show others, something that would grasp customers' attention. The last way to advertise KDP books is through Instagram. On Instagram you can as well find lovely stuff, beautiful pictures, so you can definitely create an account with lovely notebooks and basically get them advertised and drive traffic to your lovely looking books, notebooks, coloring books, different activity books. Like those books here, you can see people sometimes order their own copies for their purpose to create an ad with that particular book, and I think most of Instagram accounts with KDP books do it in the same way. they order a copy of their book and create a lovely pictures and videos and upload them on Instagram for increasing the search results, and at the same time they add the links to their shop on their Instagram page. You can find really amazing designs. You can get inspired as well through those designs. But then there is another way as well to get your books rank on Instagram, which is through using influencers. Instagram influencers, they often take pictures of themselves, and people love knowing what they do and use in their daily lives. So having your books presented by influencers can turn a lot of eyes on your products, and at the same time, and in that way you can definitely boost your sales, because the more people will see your products, will see your books, the better conversion of sales will be, because it's always good to advertise your products. When people can see it, people will learn about your product, and they are definitely more chances of getting more sales in that way. But you don't have to use only Instagram influencers. You can use as well YouTube influencers. There are a lot of YouTubers who color or create their own art, but I'm sure if you get into cooperation with them, they will be more than welcome to help market your product. And remember that videos on YouTube stay nearly forever until those influencers will not decide to take them down, but mostly they stay forever. So if you pay, let's say, and if you pay one influencer and that influencer will create a video about your product, that product will probably stay there forever, for years. So just imagine that's a wee investment for many years that you will be great to get it. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to put the thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you next time. Bye!